Aaron Rose. I remember our first date like it was yesterday. Walking a mile to your car, going to Newt's and talking so much that we didn't eat our food. And watching some scary movie that was ridiculous called Lights Out. It's funny that when I think back to that movie was called that, because that's actually what I felt like in the years leading up to that point. My lights were out. But you lit a spark in me. And as we went on so many more dates, it became obvious so much that I couldn't hold myself back for how much I felt and how much I loved you, that I accidentally said it the one night and caught myself. It was truly meant to be. Our dogs have always been friends, and they slowly became best friends. You and I, we became friends, and then best friends, and are now lovers, and soon to be husband and wife.
Wow. Wow.
Look at you. You look so good too. I love you. You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So emotional.
It's okay. We're gonna have a good day. I know I'm about to cry too. Let's try not to.
I know I'm not always and can be annoying as well, but know that you make things easy for me, and I only want to annoy you. I promise to always love you and our puppies. I promise to never let you watch a ghost show alone. I promise to never let you go to a brewery alone. I promise to always be there for you, even when you're stubborn. I'm looking so much to the next chapters and wouldn't want to spend it with anyone else. I love you always and forever.
Are you super excited? You look so good. Yeah, the color combo was everything.
Oh, yeah.
Everything. And your makeup looks good.
Nice.
The nails with the ring, too. Yeah, you look gorgeous.
Last night, and Aaron was making fun of me. It's kind of long, so. Okay, I've been writing them for a year.
Just hold your hand.
Okay, today we begin our new exciting journey as husband and wife. I've been dreaming of this day for so long, and it's finally here. Brian Douglas Leppo, I finally get to be your wife. After 5 years and 10 months, I will never forget the moment that I realized I really, really loved you. We were at Norland Pub, and you made me laugh and smile so much. You played Backstreet Boys and had the whole place singing. Your happiness, smile, and laugh are contagious. Even on the worst days, I know I have you there to make me happy again. You are the most loyal and faithful man to not only me, but also my family and friends. You're selfless and caring. I admire that in you every day. You are the best dog dad to our 2 fur babies, and I can't wait to watch you love and father our future children. I know you will be the best dad. I love you because you're not only my soulmate and the love of my life, but you are my very best friend. Look at you!
You look so beautiful.
Good.
You look amazing.
You look so good. Do you love your suit?
Yeah,
Yay!
you look beautiful.
Thank you. You have like a little thing right here.
It's Alex's fault. You look so...
Do you like it?
Yes, you look so beautiful.
I love you. Stop, we
Oh,
can't
okay.
cry,
I'm
okay?
trying to-
We can't. Because we're gonna do our vows in a minute, and
Yeah,
then
I
we're
know.
definitely gonna cry. I love you. You excited?
Yeah,
The weather's
you look amazing.
nice. It's
Yep.
not bad. You look so good. These came out nice. I love them.
Yeah,
Love you.
love you too.
I look forward to grow old with you and have many life adventures. Despite our differences at times, you always choose to see the best in me, and I am forever thankful for that. I know life has its ups and downs, but as your wife and life companion and partner, I promise to build a strong and loving marriage with you and to provide a secure and loving family for our future children. I promise to try my very best to remember that you are typically right, and I promise, again, to try to listen to you the first time. I promise to become a better car navigator and direction giver, even though it may take many, many years to accomplish. I promise to communicate with you and solve problems and road bumps we may have along the way. I promise to keep pointing out things that are right in front of you when you ask me where they are. I promise to love you and always fight for our love and remember this day and the joy that comes with it on our toughest days. I promise to support you and respect you, and above all else, make sure I'm not just yelling at you because I'm hungry. I promise to keep our house clean and comforting and full of love and happiness. I promise to make sure you're always fed and taken care of. I promise to love you even when you're 65 and still playing video games. I'll even still watch and cheer you on. Being with you has brought me a sense of security and comfort in knowing that I will always be loved, appreciated, and respected. Ryan, my soul will always find yours. When this life is over, I vow to haunt the world with you, and maybe we will end up on Destination Fear the Next Generation. In all seriousness, my soul will follow wherever yours goes because a lifetime with you can never be enough.
And here's some things that I charge the both of you with as soon-to-be husband and wife. I hope that you grow more and more together, closer and closer. Cherish the times as you walk with your dogs. Cherish those times. Take the both of them out and walk and talk about your day or your week. And I know that you both love beer so much, and so do I. So maybe after a long day or a long week, share a beer together, whatever it may be, and get to know each other a little bit more. Talk to each other and cherish the moments that you have day in and day out. Never lose the steadfast love that spirit deep within you is giving you. Share that with the world, because doesn't the world need more and more love these days? I wish you both all the best in your marriage. Amen. Are you ready for the bags?
Yeah. Ready.
At this time, Aaron and Ryan will exchange their vows with each other. Ryan, we'll start with you.
Sure.
In the presence of God and these witnesses, please repeat after me. I, Ryan,
I, Ryan,
take you, Aaron,
take you, Aaron,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have
to have
and to hold
and to hold
from this day forward.
from this day forward,
In joy and in sadness,
in joy and in sadness,
in riches and in poverty,
in riches and in poverty,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
This is my joy-filled vow
This is my joy-filled vow
to you.
to you.
In the presence of God and these witnesses, please repeat after me. I, Aaron,
I, Aaron,
take you, Ryan,
take you, Ryan,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
in joy and in sadness,
in joy and in sadness,
in riches and in poverty,
in riches and in poverty,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
This is my joy-filled vow
This is my joy-filled vow
to you.
to you.
At this time, Ryan and Aaron will exchange their rings.
Mine just goes on.
Look at you.
At this time, it is customary during a wedding to either light a unity candle or to let a candle go up or to pour some water or sand into something, but this is much better, I think. Aaron and Ryan are going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and bringing both peanut butter and jelly together, showing that the two truly become one. And isn't a peanut butter and jelly sandwich so delicious? So at this time, to share their love together as the two becoming one, they will make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich together. It is my honor and privilege as an endorsed minister of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America and by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania to announce for the first time ever Mr. and Mrs. Leppo.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Brett. I'm the best man. And as of today, Ryan's former life partner. Oh, Ryan, before I forget, I have a note from some of your friends that couldn't make it. It says, "Dear Ryan, I'm sorry we couldn't make it to your big day. We wish you all the best on your wedding day. Thank you for talking with us, laughing with us, and most importantly, financially supporting us during your bachelor party weekend. Sincerely, the strippers at Rick's Gentlemen's Club in Pittsburgh." Ryan, I know I can't truly capture everything from our friendship in this one speech, but all the time we've spent together, all the experiences we've had, all the memories we've made over these past 20 years mean more to me than you'll know. I want to wish you both nothing but laughter, love, and happiness in your new marriage. Be there for each other in your highest and lowest moments. Cherish each other and each and every day. Most importantly, love each other like every day is your last. Oh, and Ryan, I hear marriage is a lot easier if you get accustomed to saying the word, yes, dear. A happy wife is a happy life, they say. So with that, let's all raise our glasses and toast to Mr. and Mrs. Leppo. And I don't even have a drink. Can I get a beer real quick?
When you're around Erin, it's impossible not to notice the caring kindness in her words towards others, thoughtfulness when giving advice, and little things she will do for her friends and loved ones to go the extra mile. Erin has a huge heart, and I'm so lucky to know her. I think it's pretty obvious, because this is why we're all here, but Erin and Ryan are truly meant for each other. From the way her face lights up when someone mentions him, to her being so excited that she has Chipotle waiting for her when she gets home. Again, it's the little things. They are the perfect pair. Ryan and Erin, I wish you all the blessings and happiness as you begin this amazing journey together. Continue to love life, travel together, make tons and tons of memories, never forgetting about the little things that got you here. Congratulations.
When I was 28 years old and getting a divorce, Erin was there. She let me cry in the bathroom stall of a bar, as girls do, and she grabbed my face and she told me I deserve the best. Do you remember that? When I was 30 and I had just given birth during a pandemic, Erin mailed me a care package. She couldn't come over because of COVID, but she still found a way to be there by mailing me things and FaceTiming me. If I cry, I'm pregnant and hormonal. I'm allowed. I could list a million other ways Erin has always been there for me. The least I can do is be there for her today, so I want to do for her what she's always done for me. So I'm going to grab her face and tell her that she deserves the very best, and I love you so much.
Until